So Megan, what you working on?
The chamfer.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What are you doing right now?
Pulling, screwing screws out of the hinge over here to take this piece of plywood out.
Sure.
For the
And that's
dinette.
part of the dinette area, yeah.
Yeah.
So what are we going to do? We're going to take all the hinges off everything, and we're actually going to go through and make all new cabinets, new drawers, new plywood. We're going to put new floor in here, new paneling, new ceiling. This is a major issue right here, is this hole in the ceiling, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, leaks water in right there. So
Yeah.
we'll end up having to redo that. So what are you doing with all your screws and hinges that you're taking apart?
I'm putting them in bags and labeling.
Labeling
them.
everything?
Yep.
Yeah, that's a good idea. So what are we going to do up here? We're going to make all these new cabinets and new doors and stuff here too, right?
Yep.
Right on. So what kind of color are we going to go in here, you thinking?
We're gonna do teal. I want to do yellow and white. Teal, yellow, and white.
There we go. That'll work out.
Pretty vintage
Yep.
colors.
Kind of along this color here? No?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yep.
something along that color.
And we're going to try and save the appliances. We're going to take these out and sand them down and repaint them. We're going to get this ice box pulled out. It's actually really good inside.
Yeah.
But really mainly is the mice got into everything around here. This just needs to be cleaned up. But that was sealed up so the mice never got in there. But the mice got into the stove and everywhere else. So, but with gutting the thing out and taking everything apart, we'll be able to get rid of all the mice doings. And this is our like a linen or wardrobe closet, right, Megan?
Yep,
This would be a wardrobe
think
closet,
so.
yeah. This camper here, we kind of looked things up. I mean, it's got this extra bunk back here. This was some special deal for this kind of camper. I think they call these the Can-Ham campers or something is what I found. And maybe I'm not correct on it, but that's what I looked up. But having this little bunk back here was kind of an extra deal. You got a bed down here or couch, and then you got a bunk up above. And then you have your dinette area that folds down to a bed up here too. So let's see all your stuff you got sitting outside then, Megan, where you got it all organized.
These are just all of the cabinet doors. And then there's some extra stuff that I found in
Sure.
there.
Some steel wool and stuff and
And then all of my screws and hinges and
you got them in
door
all separate little
handles.
bags. You got them labeled and everything.
Yeah, and then I'll
Yep.
put everything into one bag if it was for the cabinets.
Sure.
And then these are the fridge screws. And then
Right
there's
on.
more screws and stuff in the
Sure.
shed already.
And there's the table.
Yep, this is
We're
the
saving
table.
all the hardware off it. We'll make a new table.
This is for the screen door.
Oh,
It
interesting.
broke, but I pulled it out and I put forced
Sure.
screen door on.
Yep,
So we
right
made
on.
this there.
Oh, sure. It was a little slide deal right here for sliding it over to get to
Yeah.
the handle and stuff. So,
And then I think this is some of the trim for the outside.
sure. Yeah, we'll hang on to that.
Or maybe actually no, it's for inside.
Oh, sure. Yeah,
Where
along the
that
dinette
stuff
area.
is?
Yep.
Nope, not for the dinette
Oh.
area, for over here. It goes right here.
Oh, right in front of the couch area back there then.
Yeah.
Sure. Yep. Where
I
you got to
pulled that
step
out.
up. Yep. Okay.
Before we pull all the carpet out.
Sure. Here's some parts for the stove and stuff then, right?
Yeah, I took that out. I don't know if this is for though.
Huh. Well, we'll have to figure that one out.
And then yeah, just the glass panels.
Some of the stuff's a mystery right now, but yeah, we'll have to get some new glass panes for the windows and stuff. We got some broken ones. So here's the exterior now. We did pressure wash it last year, so that definitely helped. And I don't know if we're on the fence of painting the exterior or not, or if we're gonna leave it like this or not, but that we will figure out. So maybe we could steel wool it all down and have it nice shiny aluminum or something. Is that the game you found in there? Little pocket game. Yeah.
It says Video Deuces though. Royal Flush 2000.
Yeah, some vintage game. Fun. So, all right, guys. Well, that's an update on the Champer. So, we are getting there slowly but surely. But it's summertime now out here, so it's easy to work on it outside. So, thanks for watching, guys. We'll get more videos and more updates.